Namaskar friends, we will discuss about the solvent linearity. There are about the solvent linearity. Linear graph plotted between analyte concentration and their response is known as solvent linearity. Linearity graph plotted manually or it generated automatically by the analytical instrument. Solvent linearity will be prepared in suitable solvent from the stock solution by the serial dilution method. Response have observed after the analysis of analyte. Minimum 4 to 5 concentration or 4-5 point linearity are necessary to find accurate linearity curve. Linearity range should be 1 concentration below and 2 to 3 concentration level above from the MRL value. For example, if value of chlorpyrifos is 10 ppb, then the set linearity range will be 1 point below from 10 ppb is 5 ppb and 3 point above from the 10 ppb are 25, 50 and 100 ppb. LOD limit of detection and LOQ limit of quantification have set on the basis of signal to noise ratio. The detailed study about the LOD and LOQ will be carried out in next video. Now about the secondary stock solution. Secondary stock solution is prepared by the main stock solution or primary stock solution. Concentration of primary stock solution should be 1000 mg per kg or 1000 ppm. The expiry of primary stock solution should be 1 year from the date of preparation. The concentration of secondary stock solution may be 10 or 5 mg per kg or 10 or 5 ppm. The expiry of secondary stock solution will be 6 months from the date of preparation. This is formula for the preparation of secondary stock solution. C1V1 is equal to C2V2. C1 is equal to concentration of primary stock solution. V1 is equal to volume of primary stock solution. C2 is equal to concentration of secondary stock solution and V2 is equal to volume of secondary stock solution. To know the volume of primary stock solution taken, be calculated by this method. To prepare 10 ml of 10 ppm solution, take 0.1 ml solution from 1000 ppm stock solution and mix in 9 ml solvent. Now come to serial dilution. To prepare the solvent linearity, serial dilution is necessary. By the serial dilution, we can obtain accurate linearity curve. 5-point linearity is necessary. For example, we have to prepare linearity curve of 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100 ppb concentration. The linearity solution will be prepared by 1000 ppb and 100 ppb. To prepare 1000 ppb or 1 ppm solution, following formula can be used. 0.1 ml solution of 10 ppm mixed with 0.9 ml solvent. Now come to the serial dilution. Serial dilution will be prepared as 100 ppb, 50 ppb, 25 ppb, 10 ppb and 5 ppb. From the 1000 ppb and 100 ppb stock solution, the volume taken from the stock solution are 0.5 ml, 0.05 ml, 0.025 ml, 0.1 ml and 0.05 ml, and the solvent taken is 0.09 ml, 0.095 ml, 0.005 0.975 ml, 0.9 ml, 0.95 ml, and prepare 1 ml concentration solution. Now come how to linearity curve automatically prepared in the instrument. For that, linearity solution will prepared in 1.5 ml glass vial. Septa of glass vial used in LCMS and GCMS will be different. Due to the volatile nature of GCMS solvent, septa should be without cut or without hole. The prepared linearities vial will injected to the GCMS or LCMS instrument. The sequence which will be prepared in instrument as follows: solvent blank 1 and 5 ppb, 10 ppb, 25 ppb, 50 ppb, 100 ppb and solvent blank. When these linearity vial injected in the instrument, the linearity curve will be plotted automatically in the instrument software. Now come to the solvent linearity curve. Linearity curve will plot by the GCMS or LCMS instrument automatically with respect to concentration and response as shown below. The R square value should be more than 0.99. In this figure, on the x-axis concentration is given and on the y-axis response is given, and the R square value shown in this figure is 0.9996. So this linearity curve is perfect. Thank you and take care.